welcome back, and we've done it again with no credit checks, no credit whatsoever, with or without credit for $2,500 down and 29.9% financing, and we do that for you as a new customer. We are able to get you in this beautiful cherry red Dodge Charger Scat Pack. We've got tires on it. We got tinted windows. This is the car for you, the car for your dreams. I hope you're happy today.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session.
Hello, everyone. Please be seated. Let's see here. I have case number 6072, Rosemary Wilson versus Ben Mitchell. Please come to the podium.
Oh, boys.
Hello, Mr. Mitchell. Hey,
Judge.
Take your sunglasses
Taking my glasses
off.
off.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm in a rehab program. Thanks.
Thank you.
How are you,
sir.
Judge? You're looking good. Looking tight.
Thank you, sir. You're looking well.
Thanks.
Yourself.
You skipping leg day?
Hello, Ms. Wilson. How are you? You have to excuse that Mr. Mitchell comes into our courtroom quite frequently. So, what brings you into our courtroom? It says here that you're looking for a complete refund for a car that you purchased from Mr. Mitchell. Am I reading that correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Tell me what happened.
I know him through my uncle.
Mm-hmm.
They're really close friends. I have been going through some financial difficulties, and I really needed a car to get to work. And so my uncle hooked me up with him, and he said that he would be able to give me a car. It wasn't like the most glamorous looking car, but that didn't matter to me because it was really important for me to get to work.
Something to get you from point A to point B. Okay,
Yes,
I
yes,
understand.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor. So I met up with him, and he sold me a car for $2,500.
All right.
And that was the price of the car, as well as the year warranty. And so he told me that because of everything that I was going through, and because he knows my uncle really well, that he would give me a year to pay off the car.
Okay, so I want to make sure I'm understanding this correctly. The car cost $2,500,
Yes,
and you're saying that Mr. Mitchell gave you a year to pay off the $2,500. Am I hearing that correctly?
yes, the car plus the warranty was
Plus
25.
the warranty. How much was the warranty extra? Do you know? Remember?
I don't remember the breakdown of it, but I just remember that it was $2,500 altogether.
Okay. Oh, so the warranty was included with the $2,500.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ah, okay. All right. So where's the problem here?
Well, I was using the car to go back and forth to work. I ended up getting a raise, and I had some more income, and I decided, let me just pay off the car because it would just free up my mind from thinking about it and worrying about it. So I made arrangements to see him, and I came and I gave him the rest of the money. And
The $2,500.
Right, because I had been paying him a little here, a little there, and we had been keeping a book of it. So
Okay.
he was being completely honest about it, so I didn't have a problem. So when I came to pay him the balance, then he told me that I still owed him more money. And I couldn't.
What was the extra money from?
He said because of the interest, the interest.
The
charge?
interest of what?
Oh.
Because you just said that the $2,500 was for the price of the car.
Yes.
And that a 1-year warranty was included in the $2,500. So I'm confused. Where is this interest for what?
So I'm really confused too because I've never purchased. This is my first.
You know what? Hold on. Let's let Mr. Mitchell explain. Why is this young lady under the impression that she owes interest if she, first off, did she pay you $2,500?
Eventually, she paid me the down payment of $2,500. The total cost of the car is
she paid you a down
$14,999.
payment on the $2,500, or she paid you $2,500.
She eventually paid me the down payment of $2,500.
Okay, you're saying down payment of $2,500. Are you saying that $2,500 is a down payment?
That is correct, a down payment.
Okay. Well, how much was the vehicle?
$14,999 before dealer fees, taxes, plates,
Ma'am, were you aware of the
and
fact
warranty.
that the car cost $14,999?
I wouldn't have even entertained that. I don't have that kind of money.
Okay, why does she have a totally different number than you?
Listen, this car was granted to her whack, and what that means is without approved credit.
Okay.
She doesn't have any credit. I don't know if she has a job.
Okay.
But I was able to work this for her. I worked a beautiful package for her at 29.9% financing only for a top-end vehicle with beautiful tires, mint cherry red.
Hold on, wait, stop right there. Did you say that the interest that you were charging her was 29.9%?
Yes, I was actually able to get that for her, which is, I'm good at what I do, but I care about my customers.
Are you good at researching state law? Because state law says that the max that you can do for a interest rate for a motor vehicle is 16%.
That's if she had money and a job and credit.
No. The law is very clear on that. It's 16%, no higher. You're over by 13.9% of what the law allows.
It sounds like we'll have to look into that again, but her uncle Otis came to me and said, hey, can you help her out? I'm like, Otis, sure, you're a friend of mine. I made this package for her, but she's really confused as a first-time buyer and convoluted. Pardon me?
Was this a written contract?
This was not only a written contract, which she did sign, double-sided, also a verbal contract, because my word is bond. That's how I have so many businesses here, you know what I mean? This is an open and shut case. This is an easy one.
Did he just say this is an open and shut case?
He told you.
I feel like we're going to win this one over on this side.
Me?
Yes,
In my courtroom, that the case is open and shut.
We might as well go.
We might as well leave.
You know?
Wow, that's kind of disrespectful.
Wow.
This is my courtroom.
Not
You're
mine.
telling me what I should, how to do my job.
Was
Are you
not
going
my
to tell him how
intention
he
to
should
be.
do his job?
The bailiff? No,
No.
I had nothing to do with bailiff.
So you
don't
can't tell me
don't
how
answer
to
to
do
me.
my job. That's kind of disrespectful.
It's in my opinion that this is an open and shut case,
It's in your
and this
opinion.
should be the one that doesn't
Well, here's
hurt
the
my
funny
wallet.
thing about the opinion. The only opinion in this courtroom that matters is mine.
Okay.
So here's the thing. You had her sign a contract. Ma'am, did you sign a contract?
Yes, Your Honor.
You said something about front and back.
Yes.
Did you see the front of this contract?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what was on the back of the contract? I'm just curious.
You know, a lot of fine print, legalese.
Fine print.
Yeah.
What did the fine print say?
Well, things like 29.9% financing.
29.9%, that's illegal in the state.
You know, that's definitely in there.
Uh-huh.
And
were you
warranty.
aware that you were paying 29.9%? You know, I forget that question. Were you aware that there was a back of the contract?
No. He runs with my uncle Otis, and I called him Uncle Ben at one time too because he ran.
And I wasn't even offended
wasn't
when she
even
said it.
Thinking about it like that. I thought I was in good hands, and I just feel really stupid right now.
Ma'am, listen to me. I know that being in court can be a very scary thing. I understand that. There's no reason to feel stupid in court. There is something that has occurred that you don't understand. That's why the court is here, to help understand, to get you justice, or in some cases to get the other guy justice. But there is nothing to feel stupid about, okay? If there's a misunderstanding, we're here to try to understand what happened, okay? Now, speaking of understanding, what I don't understand is why there's a back of a contract with fine print, which is your words, that she doesn't know about. Not only that, this fine print has this 29.9%, which is illegal in this state, which she doesn't know about.
Page 2 of the
Which sounds
contract.
to me like you were trying to pull over a fast one on her.
Page 2 of the contract also stipulates that all sales are final and complete.
Yes, I understand that. But
So what are we talking
know
about?
the back of the contract. She didn't know about the law about the 29.9%. As a matter of fact, you didn't know about the law about the 29.9%. And I'm going to give you that because if you did know and you still gave her 29.9%, knowing that the law says it's 16, I would do my best to have your license pulled and shut down your business today. Because that is, what's the word, shady?
Shady.
Shady.
Thank you, bailiff.
Yes, sir.
I'm hoping you don't pull my license, but she has already explained that she was confused. I do have her documentation on legal documents
Yeah. A legal
And-
document with something illegal on it.
that she signed.
It was illegal for you to present it to her in the first place.
I object.
You object?
I think
You
that.
object?
Yeah.
Would you like to get in contact with the state legislator who wrote that into law? Would you like to get in contact with the governor who signed that into law?
I don't want to sidebar with any of them. I just want to
You
cross-examine
gave
in a
her
partial
an
way,
illegal contract to sign. That's the bottom line.
which she signed, so she's compliant.
No, she's not
She's in this with me.
responsible for that.
Yes, Judge.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is what we're going to do. Let me ask you this question. The car, do you still want this car?
No, Your Honor.
You don't want the car anymore?
No.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. You're going to return that motor vehicle to his business. Okay?
Judge.
Once that vehicle ends back up on your lot,
I can resell it.
you are.
Judge, I have an idea. How about she trades in the car and I get you into a nice newer
Mr.
model?
Mitchell,
Yes, sir.
allow me to finish, or you're going to find yourself in contempt of court.
Yes, Judge.
Once she returns that car to your lot, you are going to reimburse her that $2,500. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, Judge.
Anything outside of that, I'm going to pretend, not even pretend, anything outside of that, I'm going to just see as contempt of court. And then you will be spending some time in the Mango Park City jail. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, Judge. Very clear. No fine print there.
What I'm also going to do for you, Mr. Mitchell, is I'm going to have state investigators go over all of your contracts. Because if they find an additional 29.9% on all those contracts, guess what we're going to do? We're going to get in contact with all of those clients that you sold cars to.
Okay.
And we're going to either get them their money back or make it right. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, Judge.
That's what I thought. So, case is adjourned.
Car ride's nice, right? Beautiful highway mileage. Well, Judge Porter strikes again. I didn't get my way. What a surprise. I disagree with the ruling, and I may take this one to Superior Court. We'll just see.
I'm very happy with the judge's decision. Obviously, I need to become more literate with the law and contracts, but I feel like he really took care of the situation, and I feel like justice has been served, and I'm really grateful.